Rico Yan has been trending lately because people have been rediscovering his old movies. At may mga iba na pumupunta sa puntod niya para maglahad ng makamundong pagnanasa para sa taong matagal nang wala. So you guessed it! We are looking at the paternal ancestry of this bedimpled heartthrob of the 1990s. Ricardo Carlos Castro Yan was born in 1975 in Mandaluyong. He lived a privileged life. He attended Xavier School, La Salle Zobel, and De La Salle University. He became a successful actor, which is why his sudden death in 2002, while he was on vacation with friends, was a tragic loss in more ways than one. If he was alive, he would be 49 years old today. Rico's parents were Roberto Yan Sr. and Teresita Castro. Rico's paternal grandparents were Manuel Yan Sr. and Amelia Acab. Manuel Sr. was a PMAer and a World War II veteran. In fairness, ang cute niya. At 48, he was the youngest chief of staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, a post he held from 1968 until 1972, right before the declaration of martial law. Yan then served in the Foreign Service from 1972 to 1992. He was the ambassador to Thailand, Indonesia, and the United Kingdom. He was a peace process negotiator and consultant for the Ramos and Estrada administrations. A military camp in Mawab, Compostela Valley was named after him. Manuel Yan Sr. was the son of Jose Ramon Yan and Romana Texon. I found his death certificate and the document says he was born in 1893 in Pagsanghan, Laguna. He died from cancer in 1958 at 65 years old in Quezon City. The document mentioned that he was a retired policeman. The death certificate also mentioned the names of his parents, Ramon Yan and Dominga Escolar. Ang daming pwedeng makuha sa death certificate. Kaya dapat yung informant, kilala niya yung namayapa. Otherwise, puro blanco yung death certificate. Anywho, that is where the paper trail stops. I could not find primary documents, birth, marriage, or death certificates on the next older generation, Ramon Yan, who would have been born around 1870. Rico Yan is related to the following prominent Pinoys by blood. Performer, host, and San Juan City Councilor Bobby Yan is Rico's brother. Former Congresswoman Emeline Aglipay Villar is Rico's first cousin. Former Congressman Mark Aglipay, Emily's brother, is also Rico's first cousin. All this means Rico is related by marriage to former Chief of the Philippine National Police Edgar Aglipay, who married his aunt Maui, and all the Villar politicians because Senator Mark Villar married his cousin Emeline. I saw a crowdsourced family tree on Jenny.com that assigned parents to Rico's 2 times great-grandfather Ramon Yan. But the supposed father had a Spanish name, De La Resurrección. Because I cannot immediately understand how someone with a Spanish name would end up having a child with a Chinese name, I didn't share that muna until we verify. I have to caution against the dependence on the research of others, which we find randomly online. Marami pong websites that talk about clans. Pero dahil tao lang po tayo lahat, may mga mali din. Kasi minsan yung basis second-hand information or family kwento-kwento. Do not be too quick to rely on digital sources unless they are historical digital records themselves. At wag rin po kayo gagawa ng digital family tree nang hindi pa talaga siya documented. Offline muna until you are sure. Mas mahirap i-correct kapag may mga kumopya na nung draft mo na akala ng iba verified research na. I am speaking from experience. O diba?
Meow meow.